So we finally get to where we want to eat our tour. So when we get to the place of eating, we were told that our best food tour is finished. So now we asked the woman to give us what they have. They said that they have Nigerian food because they already know that we are coming to eat and they know that we are from Nigeria, we are Nigerian. So Plumsy had already called them in the morning, telling them that we are coming to eat Nigerian food. So the woman had prepared Nigerian food for us. She's a Ghanaian. So we are about to eat our Nigerian food. Slim Pakajobo brought us here. Yeah, because he has been here over time.
Yeah, that's sweet.
These are sweet okombo.
Sweet funny comedy.
Okay, sweet okombo. So now his new channel, his new page is called Sweet Funny Comedy.
Sweet boy.
This Pomsy. Promise Pomsy.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Promise Pomsy.
Okay, so now we are about to eat. This is Lab Boy.
That's
Lab Boy. He's feeling very, very bad because the Ghana food is finished. He's about to eat Nigerian food. Yeah. He feel like crying. Sorry about that. This Lab Boy. This is the Ghana woman that used to supply us Ghana food, sweet delicacy. But today we come to understand that she's a Nigerian living in Ghana and she's cooking wonderfully well.
Very, very wonderful.
So Ma, do you have Nigerian food today? Okay, so we are waiting now. So supply us with Nigerian food. You can see how she's beautiful. She's in Ghana. She said she enjoyed Ghana. She said she enjoyed Ghana because there is light in Ghana. But we are sorry, our roads in Nigeria are the best. Okay, so we are waiting to eat the Ghanaian Nigerian food.
Yep. I do have bitter leaf soup.
Imagine now she's actually okay.
I give me one. I do have vegetable. You can miss it. Let this veg.
Do you have apple? Do you have apple?
No, okra.
Vegetable okra.
Okay. Slim Pack want to eat afang, but they said no. This is Ghana. No afang. So she want to eat vegetable and okra soup. Tomsi want to eat bitter leaf.
Yeah.
They said no bitter leaf. That they want to give her oha. Wow. Sweet Okobo wanted to eat what?
Fufu and what is that my soup? What is that? What kind of soup do you have? Give me mommy, no. What kind of soup do you have for me? Do you have vegetable egusi? Okay, this is okra.
No.
This is okra soup.
Okay, she has semo.
Egusi there?
No egusi. You are in Ghana, not in Nigeria. So there is no egusi for you. What a Nigerian man. Nigerian life. Imagine.
Local African man.
That is fufu. This Ghana way of preparing fufu. They use mortar.
Mama, give me two. Give me two.
Okay.
Ramsey have changed your mind.
Ramsey saw the Ghana fufu. She's jealous about it. She wants to swap from semo to fufu.
Allow me to eat my gari.
Wow. Ghana fufu no be here. Wow. Ghana fufu big. Wow. Ghanaians. Who na they take cassava now? In Nigeria, this one is like 1,500.
Allah.
This one in Nigeria is like 1,500. But in Ghana is below 2 cedi. We are buying this below 2 cedi in Ghana.
You are my boy. Boy, how are you? You're the Nigerian network today, yeah? What's coffee one? That's okay. Anybody? Him or her and drop. Mix it together. Let me feed it and see how it goes. Put your hand drop. Yeah, it's I was not gonna
Can you let us see how you cut Ghana fufu again? Show us. Let me see again. Okay, their fufu is very thick, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. What's the name of this food?
It's oha soup.
Oha soup. How does it taste?
Very
delicious.
Wow. She's eating the soup called oha. Yeah, the woman, the chef here is an Igbo chef. So this is called what, man?
Oha and
This is called what?
Okra on oha. As African man, I want to eat that. It's good for the body.
Okay. Okay.
So
He's mixing up. He washes his hand.
wash me.
yes, don't matter them like that. Let them like that.
Because I see this thing to him because see, if the guy food play for my family and you give this.
That
Nigerian man, you know,
Oha and the
Look at Ghanaian Gary is very yellowish. You cut it.
goodness and mercy that follow us.
He's a Christian by religion. How does it taste, sir?
pretty much problem. The problem is over.
He says straight to mustard. The problem is over.
My mouth is dry.
It tastes very good, right?
It went well.
Okay. This is sweet combo losing the fufu.
Yes.
Wow. I've never seen this style before.
Uh-huh.
Now what's the name of this soup?
This is Oha mixed up with okra soup. Oh.
Okay. Why do you do that?
So that it will balance very, very well.
Okay.
As an African man.
He's taking his first. How is your fufu?
Very, very, very solid.
Okay, the Ghana fufu is very solid.
Yeah.
Amen. He's a Christian.
Oh.
How does it taste? Superb.
Very delicious. Wow. Oh.
Oh, this is mine. Mine is also Oha. How many meat is in my own? Yeah, please.
Wow.
Everybody is busy.
Wow. Very, very, very delicious.
Okay, sweet conversation is very, very delicious.
Delicious.
What's your YouTube channel?
Sweet combo. Sweet combo.
At Sweet Combo. What's your YouTube channel?
Please, if you want to see me eating like this, go to my YouTube channel. Search for Slim Pack at the 4.
Slim Pack at the What's your YouTube channel?
From the 669.
At Pomsi 669.
Supplementary promise.
Okay, supplementary promise. Okay, this is Lab Boy. This young man will be going through
Hello.
a lot today. So today, what's your channel name on YouTube?
Lab Boy, LAFBOY_1_1.
_1. Lab Boy _1.
We have been going through a lot.
Okay.
Single record bar.
Hey, yeah, look at him.
I don't understand.
Okay, this is how. So he's looking for a wife in Ghana to marry. So, you see, he said that. You hear what he said? That he came to Ghana. The things that he saw, he hoped that he must conquer them. Now, it is what it is, bro. Because he takes his first swallow, his first bite. How was it, bro? Does it taste good? Huh? Oh wow, fantastic pie. That's wonderful.
Yes.
I'm using toothpick to lose this.
Why are you using it?
Because I want to explore new things in Ghana.
Okay. And what soup is this?
Yeah. What's the name of this food? Oha. Okay, I want to eat oha for the first time in Ghana.
Yeah.
This is Ghana.
Okay,
Oha.
what is that? What did they just put there?
Yeah, she put a warm meat on me.
Okay.
Look at their meat. I don't understand. Look at their meat. It's very, very
Very
small.
small.
And this should be about 1 CD, Ghana CD.
Yeah.
Ghanaians, is it that you people don't have cow in this country? Come to Nigeria and see how we eat
We
beef.
can supply you people enough.
Come and see the kind of beef we eat in Nigeria.
Wow.
Big as my hair.
Very, very
Look at what
superb.
people are selling for us. And they said it's about 1 Ghana CD. What is this?
Can you imagine?
It's alright.
My brother, I think Nigeria is best.
Nigeria is the best.
I love my country, Nigeria.
Ghanaians come to Nigeria and experience good food.
Wow. How did you see why cutting the
Okay. Their fufu is good. It's
Okay.
good. I understand that they use they pound it.
Mm.
Let me have a test of it.
Wow, okay. How did you see?
This tastes really good.
Wow. Wow. Wonderful.
This tastes really good.
Wonderful. I can see that.
This tastes really good.
And you are enjoying your meal.
Mm.
Wow. Very superb.
Wow.
That's nice.